Hi, Dustin. Hi, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Say hi to everybody. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. I have a lot to say now. Say hello. Say hello. Oh, are you being shy? Are you being shy? No? Do you have anything additional to add to what you've already said? No? Say hello. Say hello to everybody. You sure like to grunt a lot. You sure like to grunt a lot. What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say? What do you have to say, Dustin? What do you have to say? What do you have to say?